Begging the question assumes that a statement is self-evident or true when it actually requires proof.
Everybody come quick, they're hatching! I see a foot!
I see an eye!
I see a neck!
I see a horn!
A horn?
Man, those are some funky-looking birds.
Oh, oh, you look like a little tiny dinosaur. There's one vicious baby bird.
Dad, they aren't birds.
Sure they are. They came from eggs in a bird's nest, therefore, they're birds. Ixo, fatso.
1, they don't have beaks. 2, they don't have feathers. And 3, they're lizards!
You're a lizard.
In this clip, Bart assumes that because the animals were born from eggs in a bird's nest, that they must be birds. He assumes that all animals born from eggs in a bird's nest must be birds, when this statement is not self-evident and requires proof. Lisa applies more sound reasoning by demonstrating that the animals do not have characteristics most commonly associated with birds, such as beaks and feathers. By implying that all animals born from eggs in a bird's nest are birds, Bart begs the question.
Subscribe to Coldberg Classroom and be on the lookout for new videos.